Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and in today's video I'm showing you how to make a Roblox exploit function using the Roblox Lua source and some other add-ins like bridge and other things. For today's video I'm going to use Axon source code because it's easy to understand and easy to use. So it's just to tell you guys a little bit about what happened. I'm a local buddy. I'm not really new to exploiting. I've been exploiting for a really long while, but it's kind of hard to talk about it. But you may know my brother. His name was Vernvo on YouTube, Vernvo Life. You may know him. He passed away from cancer, so he won't be making videos, but I just wanted to bring that up so you guys know like what happened to him, and he won't be posting no more videos, so that's what I'm doing on this channel. Okay, so let's start. So you're going to start off making an int of your function. It could be a static int or not, but static, whatever. Let's just make a normal int and call it YouTube function. Well guys, I'm not going to show you while I'm using this because it would just be unhealthy to fucking inject and everything. So yeah, so in the int you define the Lua state as L, and you can define it as whatever you want, just define it in there. And then now what you're gonna do is like think of what function you want to sorry, I'm not using a script right now, so it's making it hard for me to record. So I may want to make a message box function for my exploit, because like why not? Let's be OP and fuck fucking skater over because they gay. So in here, oh my god, in here we're going to type like we're going to make a string for the message, like, you know, in Lua when they type like inbox hello. This function that I'm going to show you right now will get what's in here, what the text is between these quote or whatever they're called. So we're going to make a string message text equals Lua underscore toString. Now let me just check that definition real quick. Okay, so it uses the Roblox Lua state, and then it uses the index, and the index to get the index is like you get it out of the stack. I'm not good at explaining because when I learn, this is something that is like really useful when you learn C++. Like, don't learn what a function does. What I know, and I am pretty good, I wrote my own rapping and stuff, I know how to, like, I know what to type to make something happen. I know what to write so you wrap something. I know what to do so it crashes something. I know what to do so you bypasses something. But I don't know what the functions I do. Like, I know that this gets the -1 index out of the stack, but I don't know exactly like what it does, with like what toString does and why it has null at the end. I don't know. So I'm not a good explainer at that, but okay, I just wanted to tell you that. Now when you define what's between these quotes, you can just type message box A for the message box, set it up right like that, and I'll make the title that's always in the last quote and make it like, say fucking insert YouTube test message box, or you can have exploit name, whatever you want, and in here you type message text because that was our string. I don't know if this will give an error. Yeah, it will, because toString cannot be used as a string because it's a definition using the define. So we going to copy this and paste it into it. So we're going to make a message box and use this was between the quotes as a message, and that's all you gotta do, and you make it return 1. That's all you gotta do. Yeah, you make it return 1 because if someone like makes a check to see what the function returns, to see if you made it in C++, it will check, and if it returns 1, it's a function that exists or whatever. Yeah, you get what I mean. So what you're gonna do now is copy this name. You know, in the main.cpp, like int main, or in the, I mean the main thing, you're going to do lua_register, where you register the functions, and then you register it to the Lua state using whatever like namespace you want. Sorry, I'm very sleepy. Like what you want in here for the beginning. And now I want to use mbox, and then you put the function name in. Now I'm not sure that if I remove this, it will say it's a Lua C function. I'm not sure. Yeah, Lua C function. So if you get that error telling you it's a Lua C function, it's because Lua state is not defined in it. That makes it not able to like register it to any of the it doesn't make it able to register it to the Lua state because it doesn't use the Lua state, and it cannot. Yeah, it's just not a function that can be put in the Lua state without defining the Lua state in it. So this should get you work. If you get error, this may be because you didn't return any value. You can basically return whatever you want as a number, but if you make a string, you can return whatever you want, but it's no, like, you don't need to do that because you cannot register a string to it because this will happen. Lua C function, of course. Yeah, I'll be releasing and dropping a new tutorial today, probably. It will be about how to what's it called? Oh, sorry, I'm really tired. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I cannot remember what I was thinking about, but I'll get up with some small thingy for you guys, and you just enjoy the video, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, comment if you have any issues, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.